Hello students, let's continue exercise 10.3 in this video. Sixth problem. The diagonal of a rectangular field is 60 meters more than the shorter side. If the longer side is 30 meters more than the shorter side, find the sides of the field. Okay, so by this we can draw the diagram like this. So this is the shorter side. Okay, so breadth is the shorter side. So let us take that length as x. It is given the diagonal is 60 plus 60 times plus 60 the shorter side. So x plus 60. Okay. Then longer side is 30 more than the shorter side. So that's why x plus 30. The longer side, that is length. Length is x plus 30 and breadth is x and diagonal is x plus 60. So we can name all these things. Okay, we can name shorter side as x, diagonal x plus 60, longer side as x plus 30. Then by Pythagoras theorem, so that is a right triangle, it's a right triangle. Okay, so we can use Pythagoras theorem. So this is diagonal, so AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. Okay, so that if you substitute it, you can substitute like this: x plus the 60 the whole square, x square plus 6 equal to x square plus x plus 30 the whole square. So now expand it. So whatever your square you are having, that you are going to expand with the formula x plus a plus b the whole square formula. Okay, so this is with the a plus b the whole square formula, and this is also like that only we are expanding. Then for simplifying, what we will do, we will bring everything to one side of equal to. Okay, so like that it's brought like this now. Okay, so 2x minus x square, so you will get x square. Then 60 minus 120x, so you will get minus 60, and here 900 minus 3600. Okay, so that you will get minus 2700. So this is the formula, quadratic equation we got. So after that, by splitting the middle term, okay, so this middle term minus 60 is split into minus 90x plus 30. Okay, so that like that it can be split and written. So I am using splitting the middle term method. If you want, you can use quadratic formula method or completing the squares. So you can use any of the method and find the root. Okay, so after that x is taken as common here, and inside the bracket I have x minus 90, and here 30 is taken as just common, and inside the bracket x minus 30 I am having. So x minus 90 into x plus 30 equal to 0. So equate both the factors with 0. So x is equal to 90, x is equal to minus 30 I got. Okay, length cannot be in negative. Okay, you can't say measure in negative, so it is always positive. So 90 is only possible. So the shorter side is 90 meter. X is what? X is shorter side, so x is 90 meter. Longer side is x plus 30. So 90 plus 30 equal to 120. That is the length of the rectangular field, and breadth is 90 meter. Okay. Seventh problem, the difference of squares of two numbers is 180. The square of the smaller number is 8 times a larger number. Find the two numbers. So two data it is given. One is difference of the squares of two numbers is 180. Okay, so let's take this as x and y. So in order to avoid confusion, we are taking as x and y. Okay, so anyhow y won't be there, only x we will use. So in order to avoid confusion, that's why x and y. So what it is given, difference of the squares. So x square minus y square equal to 180. That is first equation. Then the square of the smaller number is 8 times the larger number. Okay, so square of the smaller number, that is y square is equal to 8x. That is the 8 times a larger number. That's why 8x I am having. This is equation number 2. Okay, put equation 2 in equation 1. Now I will get every terms in terms of x only. Okay, So y can be removed now. So I will get x square minus 8x is equal to 180. Okay. So now you got all terms in the x variable only. Okay. So now in order to turn into quadratic equation, so 180 is brought to the LHS, so it comes in minus. So this middle term can be split into minus 18 and plus 10x. Okay. So this you know how to, here this two coefficients should be multiplied, 1 into minus 180. So minus 180 is split into two factors, so that when it is add or subtracted you get minus 8. So minus 18 and plus 10 means what you will get? Minus 8 you will get. So this is the factors. So take out common. So x is taken as common here, and here 10 is taken out common. Then x minus 18 into x plus 10 equal to 0. So equate both the factors to 0. So you will get x is equal to 18 or x is equal to minus 10. So larger number is 18. Smaller number y square. Okay, that is what y square. That is 8x, no? So if you substitute it, x value we got 18, no? So 18 to 18. So y square is 144. So we want y. So take the square root. So square root of 144 is 12. Okay. So it should be plus or minus 12. Okay. It can be either positive or negative. So that we should write it there. The pair of numbers be 18 and 12 or 18 and minus 12. So it can be anything. Okay. In 8th problem, a train travels 360 km at a uniform speed. If the speed had been 5 km per hour more, it would have taken 1 hour less for the same journey. Find the speed of the train. Okay. So the travel distance is 160 km. Okay. So we have to find out the speed of the train, and one more condition they have given, that is, if the train is 5 km per hour, if it is more than the speed now it is. So if it is more means it would have taken 1 hour less. Okay, this is given. So we can take it as speed of train be x km per hour. Then time taken to cover 360 km is 360 by x. This you know the formula, no? Speed is equal to distance by time. So speed is equal to distance by time. So time we need. So this speed can be brought down in the denominator, and the time in the this side equal to the other side of equal to. So t is equal to d by s. That's why I got time taken is 360 divided by x. Okay. The new increased speed, that is x plus 5 km per hour. Then for that, what is the time it takes? It is 360 divided by, that is the distance. 360 is the distance and x plus 5 is the new speed. Okay. So this much time it will take. And difference in time is 1 hour. They have given now 1 hour less it will take. That means this time and this time is different by 1 hour. Okay, so that you write it in the form of a equation. So this time, this is 360 divided by x minus 360 divided by x plus 5 equal to 1. Okay, so you may have which to write on first and which should be written in the second. Okay, this is actually more time. This is the first speed, no? That is more time it is taking. And this is time less taken. 1 hour less taking is this time. So this should be written in the second. Okay, this should be written in the first and this should be written in the second. So this difference is equal to 1 hour. Okay. Now this is the equation. So change it into quadratic equation. Simplify. So first find out the LCM. Okay. So from here LCM. x into x plus 5, that is the x LCM. So x into x is x square, x into 5 is 5x. Okay, so that is the LCM here. And in the numerator you have to multiply this one. For x plus 5 will be multiplied in this numerator, x will be multiplied in this numerator. Okay, then remove the brackets now. So you will get 360 into x is 360x, 360 into 5 is 1800 minus 360x. And this denominator I brought to the RHS. So it is multiplied with 1. Okay, so nothing change, it will be as such only. So bring everything to one side of equal to and simplify. So after simplifying, I got x square plus 5x minus 1800 equal to equal to 0. Okay, then again splitting the middle term, I split this 1800 into 45 and minus 40. Okay, so if it is added, I am getting 45 minus 40 is 5. Okay, so this is the middle term which is split into 2. Okay, so now taking out common, here x is common, so x is taken out, and here 40 is common, so 40 is taken out. So again if I do again x plus 45 into x minus 40 equal to 0. So equate both to 0. So x is equal to minus 45 and x is equal to 40 I got. Okay. Speed of the train is 40 km per hour. Because speed cannot be in a negative number. So minus 45 is not possible. So speed of the train is 40 km per hour. That is the answer. The next problem. 2 water taps together can fill a tank in 9 3/8 hour. Okay, the tap of larger diameter takes 10 hours less than the smaller one to fill the tank separately. Find the time in which each tap can separately fill the tank. Okay, time taken by smaller tap to fill the tank is x hour I am taking. Time taken by the larger tap to fill the tank is x minus 10 hours. Here it is given out 10 hours less than the smaller tap. That's why x minus 10 it is taken. Okay. Then part of water filled by the smaller tap in 1 hour. Okay, so how much part it will fill up in 1 hour? That is 1 by x part. So part filled by larger tap in 1 hour is 1 by x minus 10. Okay, so part of water filled by 2 taps is in 9 3/8 hours. So this is in mixed fraction. So change it into this one proper fraction also. Okay. Then part of water filled by 2 taps in 1 hour is 75/8 hours. Okay. Then, so it's already given that sum of these two part. Okay, sum of these two is equal to. So after this we have to take the LCM, and we got like this. Then simplify. So we have to simplify and cross multiply. So 75 will be multiplied with here, and this denominator is multiplied with this numerator. Then remove the bracket and bring everything to one side of equal to. Okay, so here it is divided by 2. So everything is divisible by 2. So divided by 2. Then it is factorized by the splitting the middle term. Okay, so by that I got x as like this 25 and 15/4. So 2x value I am getting. If x is 25 means what happens? The smaller tap takes 25 hours means the larger tap will take 15 hours. Okay. If that smaller tap takes 15/4 by means then larger tap will take this one. Okay, it will be equal to 25/4. So time cannot be negative. So So what we found first is the correct. So that's all for this video.